In this video, we will be talking about density. Now, first of all, what exactly is density? Density is the physical property of matter which compares how much matter there is in a certain amount of space. How do you calculate density? So, first of all, you have to figure out the mass and the volume of the object. After that, proceed to divide the mass by the volume. The SI units commonly used for density is kilograms per meter cubic or grams per centimeter cubic. Here are the formulas on how to obtain density, mass, and volume. In this video, we will be conducting a few experiments to show how exactly density works. In experiment 1, we will be calculating the density in regularly shaped solids. A crate of turnips has the mass of 800 grams. It has a length of 5 cm, a width of 2 cm, and a height of 12 cm. What is its density? So the calculation is shown in the screen, so feel free to read it. And that is how we calculate the density for regularly shaped solids. And for calculating density for irregularly shaped solids, there are two methods, and both of them rely on calculating the volume differently. In method 1, we will be using graduated cylinders. Here are the steps. And here is a picture of it. Now for the second method, we will be using a Eureka can. And here is the physical representation of it. In my opinion, using the Eureka can is simpler. Now for our second and last experiment, we'll be conducting the experiment to find out whether things will float on water or not. Now the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cubic. And in this experiment, we will be talking about these two cats. So Bob and Raymond are invited to a pool party, but unfortunately they both do not know how to swim. Now Bob here is 0.73 grams per cm cubic, while Raymond has a density of 2.21 grams per cm cubic. Now the question is whether they will float or sink. And here are the answers. Bob will float while Raymond will sink. Now why is that? Here is the reason. If the object is less dense than the liquid, the object will float. Now the example is Bob. Bob has the density of 0.73 while the water has the density of 1. Likewise, if it goes above the density of the liquid, which in this case is 1 gram per cm cubic, the object will sink. In Raymond's case, he had the density of above 2 grams per centimeter cubic. Thank you for listening to this video and have a good day.